You are welcome and thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and hit the notification button so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Like and comment. You are most welcome to this presentation and thanks for watching. Tonight we are going to look at the differences between the sum and product of roots and factors of quadratic equations. And our general form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we have two aspects. We have the factors and then the roots of quadratic equations. So we are going to talk of the two and differentiate them. So this side we have the sum and product of roots. Then on the right hand side we have the sum and product of factors. So on the left hand side we are going to have the sum of roots. So the sum of roots from this general form of quadratic equation is given by the negative b divided by the a. So this is because when we are forming a quadratic equation given the roots, we always use the formula which is the x squared minus the sum of roots into x plus the product of roots equaling to 0. So this negative is coming because as we are formulating a quadratic equation given the roots, we put a negative here. Secondly, we shall have the product of roots, which is equal to c divided by a. Then on the right hand side, we are going to have the sum of factors equaling to, from our general form of quadratic equation, the sum of factors equals to b, just letter b. Then product of factors equals to a multiplied by c. So when we are given a quadratic equation in the form of this, to find the sum of roots, we just pick negative b, we get negative b divided by the a, which is the coefficient on x squared. Let's have examples. So we have 6 examples in here. We have example 1 up to 6. Let's try out them. And in each case of a quadratic equation in here, we are going to determine the sum and product of roots and also the sum and product of factors. Let's let our begin. Number 1, our quadratic equation is 2x squared plus 9x plus 9 equaling to 0. So for us to get the sum of roots, we said is equal to the negative b divided by a. But our a in the equation above is 2 and our b equals to 9, implying that if we substitute, we are going to have negative and substitute the value of b, which is 9, divided by our value of a, which is 2. So this becomes the sum of roots. Also, product of roots, we are going to have the c divided by a. As we substitute, we are having our c as 9. So we are going to have 9 divided by 2, implying that our product of roots equals to 9 divided by 2. Then we shall have also the sum of factors. We said equals to just our b. And from our quadratic equation, our b is 9. So the sum of factors in here is 9. Then product of factors equals to sc. From our equation, our a is 2 multiplied by our c, which is 9, giving us the product of factors as 18. Let's go to number 2. We're having 3x squared plus 19 minus 14. 3x squared plus 19x minus 14 equals to 0. So we begin with getting the sum of roots. We said equals to negative b divided by a. And from this equation, our a is equal to 3, whereas our b equals to 19. As we substitute in, we are getting our negative b, which is negative 19, divided by our a, which is 3. And this becomes the sum of roots. Also, product of roots, which is the same as c divided by a, but our c is equal to negative 14. So as we substitute, we are going to have negative 14 divided by 3. And this becomes the product of our roots. On the other hand, the sum of factors, equals to, we said equals to b, and our b from the equation is 19, so it becomes just 19. Also, our product of factors equals to AC, and our a from the equation is 3 multiplied by our c, which is negative 14. Here we are getting negative 42 as the product of factors. Number 3, we are having x squared plus 4x minus 192 equaling to 0. Still, sum of roots is equal to negative b divided by a. Our a is equal to 1 and our b equals to 4. So as we substitute in, we are getting our sum as negative 4 divided by 1, giving us the sum of roots as negative 4. Also, product of roots equals to the c out of a, and our c is equal to negative 192. So as we substitute in, we are going to have negative 192 divided by the value of a, which is 1, implying that the product of the roots is negative 192. On the other hand, the sum of factors equals to our b, and our b is 4. So this becomes our sum of factors. Also, product of factors equals to the SC. As we substitute in, inside our a is 1 multiplied by our c, which is negative 192. So our product of factors becomes negative 192. Number 4, we have x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals to 0. Also, the sum of roots equals to negative b divided by a. Our a is equal to 1 and our b equals to negative 7. So as we substitute in, we are going to have negative, but our b is still negative, so negative 7 divided by our a, which is 1. So here our sum of roots equals to positive 7. Also, our product of roots equals to c divided by a. But from our quadratic equation, our c equals to 12. So we are going to have 12 as we substitute in, divided by our value of a, which is 1, giving us the product as 12. Then on the right hand side, to have the sum of factors equals to our b, and the value of b from the quadratic equation is simply negative 7. Then product of factors equals to our SC, of which our a from the quadratic equation is 1 multiplied by our c, which is 12. So our product of factors becomes 12. So try out number 5 and number 6, and please drop the answers in the comment section below. Thanks for